SmartPay Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The SmartPay Wallet app is reshaping how users manage both digital and traditional payments, combining crypto, fiat, and online transactions all in one place. But is it really as smart as it sounds? Let's look at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, SmartPay's biggest strength is convenience. It supports multiple payment types, from cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum to fiat currencies and even prepaid cards. That makes it ideal for users who want to move seamlessly between crypto and everyday payments. The app also focuses on global accessibility. With SmartPay, users can send or receive payments across borders almost instantly, avoiding the slow and costly fees of traditional banking. In regions where banking access is limited, this feature can be a real game changer. Another big advantage is security. SmartPay integrates multi-factor authentication, biometric access, and encrypted transaction layers to keep users' funds safe. Plus, its built-in exchange feature allows quick swaps between crypto and fiat without leaving the app. But there are cons to consider. First, SmartPay is often a custodial platform, meaning it controls private keys. That limits user ownership compared to non-custodial wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Second, availability can vary by region. Some countries may face restrictions on crypto features or currency conversion, which limits the app's full potential. Lastly, while SmartPay supports mainstream cryptocurrencies, it may not handle niche tokens or DeFi projects, making it less appealing to advanced traders. In conclusion, the SmartPay Wallet app offers a smooth, modern experience for anyone looking to bridge the gap between traditional finance and crypto. The surprising truth: it's not the perfect wallet for everyone, but for users who value convenience and global usability, SmartPay might just live up to its name.